Hey guys, welcome back to another Megaland video. As you could tell by the title, we are making slime today. I just personally thought it would be easier to make this intro before Miss Ellie comes. My niece is only 6 years old. Miss Ellie, shout out to Miss Ellie. She is a bundle of joy, sassy pants, and like a ball of energy. So just buckle up. I just want to put it out there. I'm not a slime expert. I never jumped on the slime making wave when it was like, what is it, 2017, 2016. I never got into it. But the two slimes that we're going to try to make, because like I said, we're not experts, but we're going to try to make, I think it's called butter slime and cloud slime. I'm going to show everything we have in a second. Shout out to Five Below and Amazon, because we definitely got all the materials from those two places. Okay, Miss Ellie called to let me know her mom's running a little late. We want to make cloud slime, which I have the instant snow, and then we want to make butter slime, which I think is made with clay. So we have like little clay, or we have a bunch of clay. This is what we have already. Like we have the two glues. We have clear glue, and then we have, I guess, the white glue. I'm excited, but I'm also like terrified for the mess that we're gonna have to clean up. But I'm at least gonna organize it, maybe like open up some packets to see like exactly how do they look. I guess just wait for her to come. You'll see how like the how loud it gets.
Hi guys, we're gonna make fluffy slime. Yeah, because it's so fluffy as snow.
Okay, what is step one?
We have to put glue.
This is like the clay to add. Okay, so what kind of glue are you gonna do? We have clear glue, and we have white glue.
I would get white glue.
White glue? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna pour.
Because light glue, light glue is so like the clouds, and it's really like the clouds. That's why I want my glue to be white, like the clouds.
Okay, I'm gonna help her because the glue is not pouring out for her.
I got it.
Yeah, listen to them while I go get some water.
Okay. But we need glue. We already did that. And then we need colors. These are the colors that we have. See? This is all. You can get that we want, that we know which color we have. You can make even colors together. You see?
Okay, so I did get some water because some of the videos that we saw added water, so I don't think we should pour a lot.
Let's pour a little bit so each of us can get one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay? Now,
I think that's good too. We genuinely don't know.
It looks like sand.
Yeah, so you're gonna take a spoon. We're gonna mix it.
And when it's getting on the glue, we have to, and then we have to let it go and put some color in.
Yeah, let me mute the mic real quick. Hers should turn like milk, and I don't really know what the clear slime should turn into. Because if I'm being honest, it just looks like a bunch of water.
Mine looks like really milk.
Yeah, like hers looks like milk. She's pretending to drink it. So now the next step that I saw, I forgot the food coloring.
Why did you get into food coloring? Because we can still mix.
Yeah, it said to put the food coloring in at this stage, which honestly there's only 4 colors.
Oh no.
This is what we got, 4 colors. Okay, so what color are you gonna want to do?
Actually, the one that I like for pink, I will use red because red and red will make pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna just 2 drops.
1, 2. There you go. I got my finger.
Alright, then I guess we mix it in. She's like cracking up.
Oh my god, mine is turning pink.
Mine is turning blue.
Mine is, I told you, white and pink will make pink.
White and red.
White and red will make pink. And red and green will make pink too.
Yeah.
Mine is like turning like
Okay.
I'm gonna stop so because because mine is getting dark and I don't want it dark.
You don't want it darker? Alright.
You look like water.
I know, mine is water. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Hers looks like Pepto-Bismol. Our next step is to add the fragrance.
I want my slime to smell like strawberry.
Strawberry?
Because I love strawberry.
Okay, she's gonna use the strawberry one, and then I'm gonna use the blueberry one. So I added my blueberry.
Beautiful. And then this.
Next up is to mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
And then it's time for the activator.
Right there? That's it?
Yeah.
Then we have, oh my god, mine is, what, you have to really mix until all of the slime get in your hand.
It did say to mix everything for about 20 seconds. And then if it's not all together, then you add a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more until it does come together at least. So Ellie, count away. Count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
A little bit more.
Oh my god, I can't even move my
Alright,
phone.
count again.
1, 2, 18, 19, 20.
Alright, is it now all together?
Yeah, it's really odd.
It's now safe for us to touch the slime.
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah.
my. Ew. Ew.
No! No! My slime!
Oh my god.
No!
Oh my god, my slime is so sticky.
I need my slime.
Mine look like the sea and the sky.
Alright, so now we have instant stove. We both want to make cloud slime. And we're gonna add
It's like
snow.
sugar. I want to do it. I touch them on my hand.
Yeah.
Ew, it feels so weird. I'm gonna go do this. Oh, ew, my god, it feels weird. It feels weird.
It does feel weird. This is how you make cloud slime, I guess. Okay, my slime finally feels good enough to pick up. It's not as sticky as before, which thank goodness. They said that it's gonna be a little rough.
Mine smells like strawberry.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to help her because her thing is a little messy, so I'm gonna just help her a bit.
I have to wash my bowl of my slime because mine was like, it turned to pink and blue.
Okay, so pretty much what Ellie meant was that when we were making her slime, somehow her slime ended up turning into blue when she really wanted pink or purple. So we pretty much are starting over, and we put that slime aside, empty out her bowl, and now we're starting off fresh. So I'm going to just speed up this process because you already saw us go through it. And she also decided to change the slime she wanted. She actually wants butter slime, so we're going to end up adding clay instead of instant snow. Okay, so right now Ellie is opening up the little fruit thingies we got. Like the fruit glitter, I should say. I'm like slowly cleaning up so that we could play.
Okay, now You go just away.
I know, this is how her slime is.
I always organize all decorations, the food things that is decorations that we put in our slime.
I'm gonna do blueberry, which I don't really know if this is blueberry. It kind of looks like the lemon.
Let me see.
I'm just gonna pour some of this in there. So we're just gonna.
Is it right? Was it right here? I'm gonna use pink for my slime because there's a little of my. A lot of it. Oh my god, it's too weird.
So I'm gonna take this little glitter, because I also want to add some glitter into mine. Which I hope you don't need scissors. It's looking like I'm gonna need scissors.
We got the scissors.
Alright, what glitter do you want to put in?
The glitter that I want to put in is, it's so different. I want to put on my glitter is this one.
And I'm just gonna put that much because that's all I want. Which one? This one?
Yeah, no, this one.
The hearts?
I love hearts. Okay, I'll do it a little bit. Got it?
Alright.
There we go. Now I can see it. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Okay, now I want to make
Okay.
one. Now I want to make another one.
Alright, well let's put these slimes somewhere else. Let me end the video. This was our first slime.
Oh.
Bye guys.
Come on, Banana.
Yeah.
You punch it so it can spread out. Pum, pum, pum.
So I'm gonna give her some time to play with her slime. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed us making slime today. And I know she's gonna be busy for the next hour, so. She made one purple, one green. I made one orange and one blue.
Make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on so you get notified every time a video comes out. Come back and watch it so you could know how to make slime. Bye guys.